With Mauni Amavasya, the biggest bathing day of Mahakumbh Mela approaching on January 29th, the authorities have taken initiatives to prevent any security issue or stampede-like situation. Deepika Mathur joins us from Prayagraj. Deepika, we've told our viewers how 10 crore people have already taken the holy dip. You're there in Prayagraj. Tell us, how is the Mahakumbh progressing?
Good morning, Preeti. We are right now at one of the beautiful ghats of Prayagraj, and the historic milestone of 10 crore people has already been achieved. 10 crore pilgrims, 10 crore devotees have already taken the holy dip, and they are continuously coming in to take the holy dip, and the arrangements have been also accordingly put in across all the ghats here in Prayagraj in the 76th district of Uttar Pradesh, which is Kumbh. I would now request my camera person to quickly pan and show you the beautiful visuals of the ghats, how equipped, how well mannered they are, and you can see the small the dustbins which have been put in every 50-meter distance across the ghats. And this is just a visual of one ghat, but all the ghats are similarly equipped. You can see that people are also doing and taking the bath in a very proper way. They are following the social distancing norm also. And apart from that, you can see the security arrangements, because there is a divide in the river itself which has been marked by the blue line. The divide has been put in place so that the deeper water side can be avoided, and in case of any mishaps, there are boats also which are put in place across the rivers so that security arrangements can be ensured and people can be saved, and lifeguards are also there. And apart from that, when we talk about the cleanliness, because that is also one of the mission under the Namami Gange mission, there are Seva Doots who are present here at every ghat. There are interestingly female Seva Doots which are larger in number here across all the ghats, who are ensuring that people should not loiter around these ghats, and ghats should remain clean. And you can see Snan, Dhyan and Dan all are taking place. Snan, the holy bath; Dhyan, the puja, the rituals which are taking place. You can see the people who take the holy bath, they then offer water to Lord Sun. This is how Dhyan is performed. And then Dan, which is charity, which is continuously a very important pillar of this entire Mahakumbh, can be witnessed very beautifully in those visuals which you are seeing right now, and especially all across the Mahakumbh area, Preeti.
All right, you've told us about the preparations, but Deepika, the Mauni Amavasya bathing ritual will take place on January 29th. How are the authorities there gearing up? Because we tell our viewers special arrangements are being made to ensure the day is hassle-free for the devotees, for the faithful there. Get us more. Have any special arrangements being made?
Preeti, I would once again request my camera person to turn pan towards the right and show you that bridge that you can see. That is the pontoon bridge that you can see there in the visuals. Now, similarly, this has been set up a month ago, a month prior to Mahakumbh. And like this bridge, 29 more bridges have been set up all across Prayagraj, all across Kumbh, so that a smooth transition of the passengers, a smooth transition of the devotees can be ensured. Now, this is one of the arrangements that has been majorly put up by the UP government all across the Prayagraj sector, and apart from that, 29 sectors have been divided by the UP government so that they can be monitored easily and they can be identified, they can be pinpointed easily. Apart from these pontoon bridges, there are security arrangements which are being strengthened up not only for the main bathing days but throughout the Mahakumbh area, because we are witnessing lakhs of people who are taking the holy dip every day, and the force is being increased for the Mauni Amavasya, the greatest Snan of this entire Mahakumbh 45-day long period, which falls on the 29th of the January, which is the Mauni Amavasya, which is the biggest Snan, the biggest bath which will be taking place, because the rare planetary alignment of 144 years would be taking place and would be at its peak. It has already started, but at that time it would be at its peak. And when we come back to the security arrangements, you can see that there are so many changing rooms, so many dustbins put across the area, so many security security officials are there, ambulances have been put in place, and ambulances are not just hovering around the land area, but ambulances and security officers have been put inside the sea as well. They have been installed, their offices have been installed in the middle of the sea as well. And apart from that, there are air security ATRs, air security ambulances, which are continuously on the move throughout this Mahakumbh, making it even more special, secure, safe for each and every devotee who's coming from all across the world here at Prayagraj, Preeti.
All right, Deepika. So elaborate arrangements have been put in place. Thank you so much for joining in with those details.